Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. How are you? Hope you are safe and sound at home. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to online class again. Before taking class, I am introducing myself. I am MD Jahidul Haq, Assistant Teacher, English, Badruat High School, Golachipa, Potuakhali. Dear learners, today I shall invite to the students of class 9, 10 to attend the class. Dear learners, I am with you to take grammar class. Today's topic is TET question. Dear learners, today's topic is TET questions. TET question is an important part of English grammar. We use TET question in conversation. Dear learners, a question can arise in your mind. What is TET question? Dear learners, TET question is a short form of question that is added at the end of a statement. Dear learners, I am giving an example to have an idea about TET question. Let's see the example. Dear learners, Rohim is a student, isn't he? Dear learners, Rohim is a student. It is a statement. Isn't he? It is TET question. And through this TET question, the speaker wants to get confirmation from the listener whether the statement is true or not. Dear learners, you have understood the definition of TET question. Dear learners, now and I shall tell about the negative short form of auxiliary verbs. Dear learners, you have already introduced with auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs am, negative contraction aren't. Auxiliary verb is, negative contraction isn't. Auxiliary verb are, negative contraction aren't. Auxiliary verb was, negative contraction wasn't. Auxiliary verb were, negative contraction weren't. Auxiliary verb have, negative contraction haven't. Auxiliary verb has, hasn't. Had, hadn't. am, aren't, is, isn't, are, aren't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, have, haven't, has, hasn't, had, hadn't. Can, can't, could, couldn't, shall, shan't, should, shouldn't, will, won't, would, wouldn't, may, mayn't, can, can't, could, couldn't, shall, shan't, will, should, shouldn't, will, won't, would, wouldn't, may, mayn't, might, mightn't. Must, mustn't. Dear learners, now I shall tell the rules about how to form tag question. Dear learners, I am writing some rules to form tag question. First of all, write the given statement. Use auxiliary verb. Positive, negative. Subject, pronoun. Dear learners, first of all, you have to write the given statement till comma. Then you must use auxiliary verbs in the tag question. If the statement is positive, tag question will be negative. If the statement is negative, tag question will be positive. Dear learners, remember, for negative tag question, you must use negative contraction. Subject, pronoun. If the subject of the statement is noun, you must use pronoun in the tag question. Dear learners, now and you will learn how to form tag question following some rules. Rohim is a player. Dear learners, Rohim is a player. Dear learners, here there is auxiliary verb is in this statement, and is used in the tag. If this statement is affirmative positive, tag quotient will be negative. Is not, negative contraction isn't. Subject Rohim, it is noun, it indicates male. Instead of noun Rohim, we will use pronoun he in the tag question. Rohim is a player, isn't he? Next, Rina is not singer. Dear learners, second statement is Rina is not a singer. In this statement, auxiliary verb is. We will use is in the tag. This statement is negative. Tag quotient will be positive. We will use is, only is in the tag. Subject Rina, it, this is noun, it indicates female. So we use she instead of Rina. Dear learners, we go to school. There is no auxiliary verb in this statement. And there is main verb in this statement, go. Go is in simple present. And we use do in the tag. The statement is negative. Tag quotient will be, this statement is positive, tag quotient will be negative. Do not, short, negative contraction, don't. Subject we, it is pronoun. We will use same pronoun in the tag quotient. Don't we? We go to school, don't we? She played cricket. Dear learners, and there is no auxiliary verb in this statement. The main verb played, it indicates simple past. We use did. The statement is positive, tag quotient will be negative. Didn't. Subject she pronoun, didn't she? He cannot do the work. Here there is auxiliary verb can. In this statement we use can. It is a modal auxiliary verb. Statement is positive, tag quotient will be negative. Statement is negative, tag quotient will be positive. Can he? Dear learners, let us play. It is imperative sentence. It expresses proposal. So we use shall we in the tag. Dear learners, next statement, let me go. It is imperative sentence. It expresses permission. So we use will you in the tag. Do eat. Dear learners, do eat. It is imperative sentence. It expresses order. So we use will you in the tag. Dear learners, next statement, he hardly comes here. It is hardly, it is a negative word. It bears the negative meaning in this statement. The tag will be positive. The main verb is comes. We use does he. Dear learners, everybody likes flower. Verb, main verb likes, subject everybody. If the subject of the statement everybody, nobody, somebody, anybody, we use pronoun they. Do they. Dear learners, I hope you have been able to learn the rules about how to form tag question. Dear learners, practice this item at home. Take care of your health. Allah Hafiz.